Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory with one stock. So before we get into that analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully. So let's move on to Nifty, SGX Nifty we will do, and then later onwards Nifty and one stock. 1 second, I will just check whether it is recording or not. Yeah. So I come to a conclusion. I rearranged my wave count, everything, and this is the fresh wave count from the previous. So I'm not going to talk about the previous count. I just updated my previous count. So this is the new count for me, and I will explain you that everything. So this is the wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the third wave is completed. Fourth and fifth is got completed. So this is the wave 1 is here. After that, it's a long consolidations for the wave 2. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is already got completed. So this is the 3. And here we have to notice the wave 1 is bigger. Wave 3 is smaller than the wave 1. And the fifth wave is going to happen below this 50% only in this moment. So that is why I have already informed you that 19,500 to 20,700 is my target for this fifth wave. So, and why it is happening like this means my count in that Nifty, I will show you that in that SGX Nifty. So for this is the wave 1, wave 2, and this is the wave 3. So we are in that wave 3. Either this could be A, B, and C also, or this could be 1, 2, and we are in the third wave also. So in some cases, third wave, it's looking like that this kind of wave 1 is got extended, and wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So everything, the wave 3 is smaller than the wave 1 and wave 5 is smaller than the wave 5. It could be like that, and it is happened previous, and I will explain with that example also. In US oil I found that kind of pattern. So this is the one I already did the wave count from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this wavelength is bigger. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 is smaller, and wave 4 and wave 5 is smaller than the wave 3. So this kind of pattern, see in the crude oil also is the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 is got completed here. Now we are in the A, B, and we are in the C wave. So that we will see you later, but this kind of wave pattern, the same pattern, it's occurring in SGX Nifty and as well as Nifty. So this wave 1, 2, 3 is already completed. We are in that fourth wave, and you know very well about the fourth wave. Will confuse lot of need patience and need to understand that wave. And from here itself, I thought this could be wave 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5, but it is failed again, and it is already broken this low. So if it broken the low is say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and here also 1, 2, 3, and I already informed that also in that from here there is a chances for making. Yesterday I informed that still if it is a WXY and XZ means we may get a three-way structure. So as of now it is doing a higher high in that 4-hour chart. In 1-hour chart it is already broken the previous high. So now it is making a higher high. So now what I'm expecting here is whether this could be again one more correction like this, or it could be a sharp drop. So this become A, B, and C. So this A, B, and one more C can happen because this wavelength is not equivalent here, and it is already the 5 waves is got completed in the 15 minutes. Here it's looking like either that this could be A, B, and one more 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that here, or we can make it this as a 1, 2. So either we can calculate this as a ABC, or it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yesterday also I informed that this is looking like the 5-way structure, and whether this could be that irregular flat formation, that C could be a short drop, and one more high is also possible. It did. So now the two options is here. Now here, so whether this is A, B, and C means if this could be a W, we may get a three-way structure, and one more high is also possible. So W, X, and Y. So this is a 15-minute chart. That is why I'm expecting that WXY formation. If you watch it in the 4-hour, it will be it's a B, and C. So A, B, C is A, B, C is a B, and one impulse way to the high to break this. It can reach up to this 18,000, 17,850 to 17,900, or it could be 18,000, and then one more fall can happen. So this is my view. So from this prediction, so this is the last video for this week, and I will inform and I will update the next pre-market in that Saturday or Sunday if I found the time in within that for the Monday predictions. So tomorrow may be a drop, maybe, and it can close below this, and Monday and Tuesday the next week it can be a rally. After that I'm expecting only the downtrend to complete that. This is a W, X, Y, X, and Z. Because why I'm expecting that a fall to that 17,100 now. See, this is 2, 3, and 4. So this is the wedge formation. Here that one trend line is meeting, and the next one it is already a bounce from here, and the next it's also bounced. But this bounce, it's not so healthy in my view. And here the previous also, if you look at here in this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See, this is a 5 swings. You just don't calculate this as a 1, 2 like that. I'm talking about that swing. It can overlap above this also, but I'm talking about that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swings. But here it's so far 1, 2, 3 is got completed. So I'm expecting 4 and one more 5. And this is also the equidistant channel I placed from the 1 to 3. And that same I cloned this and I placed here in that second wave, and it is coming near to the 17,000 mark. And if, see, what I'm talking about, this is a possible wave again to the 17,000. And here also, if we measure this, is a 23.6 below this 23.6. So from here it could be 38.2. So it comes around 16,833. But we can consider this as a 17,000. Within this zone, I'm again expecting one more low. Expecting, that is it. But in case if this is a WXY, see, if we expecting this market will from here it can bounce. So I'm very happy, because in the past I'm expecting, I'm not biased to going to the downside. I'm not biased, and I'm only it can bounce from here. But what happened, it is against my view. The market is the king always. So we expected unexpected it happening. So we can expect this. Will market do like this? So be happy. So this is my view for that new predictions and new wave count and the fresh wave count with example, and nearly I analyzed this chart for the 2 and 3 hours, because I correlated to this with SPX and with US 30 and crude oil. It's everything. So this is my view for SGX Nifty as well as Nifty. So Nifty also, if we here in that 15-minute chart, so far it is did up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it could happen like yesterday in the SGX Nifty. It can drop like this. Afterwards, it can do like this also. So I think tomorrow or and the next week it may happen, but I'm looking for this. But in sometimes the unexpected can be happen. So what I'm looking here is, if this is the end of ABC, in this is SGX Nifty, so what we are expecting only to the upper side to retested the previous broken zone here, this previous broken zone may or may not, it can retested again or may not. So what we can expect from this here is, if this is the completion of ABC, we can expect from here itself, but I won't think like that. If it can do like this also, it's accepted. So then that will be a wedge formation to reach here. So anyway, I'm looking for the target of 16,870 to 17,050. So in Nifty also the same, you can do it here. It's around 17,100 to 17,050. You can mark it this, may or may not see, because one 3-way structure is got completed. If it is a 5-way structure, this could be a Y, X and Z can happen. Otherwise it can bounce from here itself with the help of this trend line, and this took support and it will reach, or it could be a triangle, in the bigger triangle in the 4th way, and one more 5th way for the 19,500 to 20,700 is my target. So this is my view for Nifty and SGX Nifty for the future. It's not only this week, and for the coming year also. So once it reaches the 19,500 zone, it will be a, either it could be a fall or it could be a 4th wave. So this is my view for the Nifty and SGX Nifty. So what is the next one stock I'm going to do is Kirloskar engine oil engine. So I don't have a bigger count in this. I don't have a bigger count, but for the shorter time, I'm looking for the 340 to 360 levels in this zone, the previous resistance zone. And here it's looking like from the bottom, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 got completed. So now also 1, 2, 3. So this ABC is got completed, and if we draw a trend line, the previous resistance zone, and it's already tested and again bounced, retested, and again it can did the 275 high. After that, the 3-way structure, it's also now it's bouncing. If you look in that daily or 4-hour chart, it is exactly in that zone, it is keep bouncing. So in that see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or A, B, C, A. So A, B and C. Look at this. Everything, whether this could be a B, C, D, E, you can make it this as a triangle. You can make it this as a triangle, or you can make it this as a, this is a B and C, and you can make it this whole thing becomes a C. So anyway, this A, B, C is A, B, C is a B, and C is already dead. So now I'm looking only for that bouncing. But if it isn't, because this one simple got completed A, so whether the B can be a little bit consolidation, or it could be a, from here it can bounce for the C wave. Otherwise it could be a complex correction also. But I'm looking, my target in this is 340 to 360 in a shorter term. So whether it is going to, this is the 4-hour chart. So whether from here, what we'd have to do is, I'm already in the buy from 185. So from here, I'm expecting a bounce, but expecting it, this is the B wave, so it could make a deeper correction. So once the correction is got ended, and I will enter to this means, can't say, because if it is a simple correction, because the second wave is here, it's already did a lot of aggressive sorry, it's a very overlapping and took time. This 4th wave is very simple. So like that, whether this is going to be a second wave is a simple, and the third, fourth, and fifth, the fourth wave can be complicated also. But if we took it this as a shorter terms, A, this is a B, means C can reach up to this 78.6, this level. I will show you this level. 78.6 is 336 to 360 level. So I'm expecting, but in the case if it is shooting aggressively, if it is in 1 2, so either it could be changed into converted into third, fourth, and fifth also. So let's wait for this first target. Is my target is 360, but mind that whether we didn't know about this is a or a 1 2 or B, but there is a chances for making a complex corrections also. Again it can retest at this zone also, after that it can bounce. So get ready for this move to catch. So this is my analysis in Kirloskar engine oil. So hope you it helps you a lot to learn from my side. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next pre-market predictions or Saturday or Sunday at the same time. Thanks a lot. Have a nice, wonderful weekend to everybody. Bye.